Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to present a topic on carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the simple sugar which will provide us the more energy. Usually, carbohydrates are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Some best source of carbohydrates are grains, fruits, vegetables, milk, and honey. Then types of carbohydrates. It is generally classified into sugars, starches, then fibers. Sugars are the very simplest form. There are two types, simple and complex sugar. Then starches or the complex carbohydrates. Then fiber is also a complex carbohydrate. Simple sugar in the sense, it is also known as monosaccharide, okay, single molecule. Then complex sugar is also known as disaccharides. Okay, then another type of carbohydrate classification is mono, di, oligo and polysaccharide. Okay, monosaccharide in the sense one sugar. Okay, monosaccharides are the very simplest form of carbohydrates. They consist of a single sugar units. The general formula for monosaccharide is CH2ON. Example: glucose, fructose, galactose. Okay, then disaccharide means two monosaccharides. Examples: sucrose means glucose plus fructose. Lactose means glucose plus galactose. Then maltose means glucose plus glucose. Then oligosaccharides. Oligo means few. Saccharide, so it will contain 3 to 10 monosaccharide unit. Examples: raffinose and stachyose. Okay, then polysaccharide in the sense poly, many. There will be many monosaccharide units. Examples of polysaccharides: starch, glycogen and cellulose. Okay, starch is a primary storage carbohydrate in plant. Our body will digest starch and use it as a source of energy. Example: starch is present in potatoes, rice and wheat. Then glycogen is a primary storage carbohydrate in animal. Okay, it is stored in the liver and muscles, and it will be broken down into glucose when our body requires energy. Okay, this glycogen is made up of glucose units. Cellulose. Cellulose is a structural carbohydrate found in plants. It is mainly made up of glucose units and gives plant their structural support. Okay, then physical properties of a carbohydrate. Carbohydrates exist in solid, liquid or gas state. It will mainly depends on their molecular weight and structure. Okay, then monosaccharides are soluble in water, but polysaccharides are insoluble in water. Then sweet in taste. Most carbohydrates are sweet in taste. Then they are colorless or white in appearance. Okay, then chemical properties of carbohydrate. Chemical properties includes oxidation, reduction, hydrolysis and condensation. Then reducing properties. Carbohydrates will reduce to simple sugar while reacting with Benedict solution, Fehling solution and Tollens reagent. Then some of the carbohydrate like glucose, fructose and lactose will undergo fermentation to produce energy. Okay, these are all the structure of carbohydrates. First structure is the structure of ribose. Second one is glucose. Then third one is fructose. Then fourth one is galactose. Then fifth one is mannose. Thank you for listening.